Stop waiting for emergencies to happen. Take charge with life-saving skills today. Let's talk about CPR training for your church. Imagine this: a packed Sunday service, and suddenly someone collapses. Do you know what to do? With Attentive Safety's church group CPR and AED training, you don't have to wonder. Why choose us? Our comprehensive training covers adult and pediatric CPR, AED use, and choking management. Led by expert instructors, our sessions are engaging and convenient, with flexible scheduling to fit your busy lives. Whether your church has 10 members or 1,000, we bring the training to you, nationwide. And guess what? You can even add first aid and bloodborne pathogens training for a complete safety package. Don't leave your congregation's safety to chance. Be proactive. Be prepared. Equip your church with life-saving skills today. Ready to register? Visit attentivesafety.com and make a difference when it matters most.